Hey, what's up guys, TechTitan here, and I am back again with a brand new video. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and consider doing so. The subscribe button is right below. Also, if you want to see me, if you want to find me somewhere else, I'll leave my Twitter link right in the description. But let's just jump into today's video. So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the SoundBot SB571 Pro. And shout out to SoundBot first of all for sending me a review unit. Appreciate that. Okay, so here's how the box looks like. The box actually feels really good. It has kind of the texture on the speaker, but I mean at the end of the day it still is a box. We're not here for that. So it does claim dynamic deep bass. We'll take a look at that. It has a built-in mic and up to 10 hours of playback time. I like that. And a built-in 3.5mm headphone jack. If you don't want to use the wireless feature, you can just plug in your phone via 3.5mm headphone jack if your phone supports it. I can't believe I'm saying that, but yeah, some phones obviously in 2018 don't have the luxury of the 3.5mm headphone jack. Okay, and it does claim for a crystal clear sound. Yeah, so this is, so they do, okay, come on. So they do have a carrying case. Nice, I like that. I haven't seen a Bluetooth speaker with a carrying case before. And here it is. It has a nice weight to it. I like that. And it also has these patterns on the front of the speaker. And you have your control up top, your 3.5mm headphone jack, a micro USB, as well as your power off and power, as well as your power switch. And you also have your volume controls, volume up, volume down. Let's see. And this is your pairing button. All right, I had it upside down. So let's just take out this little piece of plastic. Alright, nice. So far, I mean, off of first impressions, I like it. I actually like it a lot. So yeah, okay, let's set it to the side, see what else we get. Let's see. So they do provide your micro USB cable. Nice. What else we got? Ooh, and they also provide a 3.5mm headphone cable. Let's see. Alright. So here you go. Here's their social media plug. Follow them if you want. Alright, let's see. And you have your quick start guide. Cool. But we're not here for that. We're not here for that. Let's put this stuff to the side. I still like this carrying case. This carrying case is actually pretty nice. This gets a really thumbs up from me as of right now. Let's put it to the side real quick. Let's see. So here's the speaker, and let me connect it to my phone and see how it sounds like. Let's see. So we'll turn it on. Does it even have a charge? Okay, it does. Let me see if I can connect it to my phone real quick. Give me a few seconds. Bluetooth. Okay. So it read it quickly. Let's see. Alright, it's connected. Alright, let's listen to some music, see what the sound's about. Let's listen to some music. Let's see. I want to make sure that I don't have any copyright music, so let me see what I got. And I just want you guys to see something. Look at the volume. I don't even have it 50% and it's already pretty loud. That's impressive to me. Let's see how loud we can get it to go. Oh yeah, that's pretty loud, people. Okay, actually that's kind of too loud. Let me see that bass. I want to see what that bass is about. They say deep bass. I'm interested.
No one's perfect, but no one's worth this. We deserve and live everything heaven and earth is, but where it is good.
Northern California. Hey, they better call a paramedic in the street. I got leverage in the street.
They weren't lying when they said it has deep bass. That bass is unbelievable. I like that a lot. But anyway, this is the impressions part of the video. The review part will be coming up straight after this. Okay, so this is going to be the review of the SoundBot SB571 Pro Bluetooth speakers. Off the bat, I'm going to end this. So we're going to quickly discuss build quality, then I'm going to give you guys a final conclusion on how does it sound. So build quality. These have pretty good weight to them. They have this glossy surface on the top and the bottom, as well as they also do have this matte plastic on the back. And this is where the speaker driver is located. So it does have this kind of diamond shapes on the speaker holes, which is pretty cool. It's pretty neat. It gives it a good look. And on the top, you do also have your, let's see, oh, it's upside down. So you have your volume up, volume down, as well as your pairing button, your off and on switch, your aux cord, microphone for phone calls, and a micro USB. So look, let me quickly talk about phone calls. So this is pretty good for phone calls. Of course, when you're at a far distance, the mic will not pick up your voice. But when you're nearby and you just don't want to use your phone, you want to answer your phone call via the speaker, you can of course do that. Now, it also does support an aux cord, so if you don't want to pair your phone via Bluetooth, you can just plug in your aux cord if it supports it, which I know many phones and many flagships in 2018 really don't. So it's good to have the option. So yeah, I mean, build quality is really solid. I like it. Now, let me turn on the Bluetooth speaker, and it pairs really quickly. So as soon as if you have your phone's Bluetooth turned on, and you can just turn it on, and it pairs almost immediately. Okay. So sound quality. So the bass on these is really impressive. It's really deep. I like it, and I like it very much. The low end, the other frequencies like the low end, mid range, and highs, they're also pretty decent. They do a pretty good job in balancing those. So they're pretty loud. The sound is really good. Like I said before, it's really balanced. It does favor bass, which to me, my personal preference, what I listen to, I like that a lot. Price point on these is $80, but they do come with two Bluetooth speakers for stereo sound, so that's pretty good. Also, I mean, they're not perfect. They also have their cons. So for example, to me personally, in 2018, I really think that they shouldn't have micro USB. USB-C would have been more future-proof, but hey, it is what it is. Yeah, I mean, overall, these are solid Bluetooth speakers. If you want to purchase them, I'll leave a purchase link in the description. Other than that, I mean, this is it. So I want to thank you all so much for watching this one. If you enjoyed it, leave a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing for more tech videos. If you haven't checked out previous videos, feel free to do so. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.